Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove cookies on Google Chrome mobile browser. If you're using Google Chrome mobile browser and you want to remove your cookies, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your browser and here just select three dots in the top right corner, tap on it and then select browsing data, and here you must have to select more options. From here, you have to select which one you want to delete. I'm going to delete these options which I have already selected. Is the browsing history, cookies and data size, and cache, image and files, tabs, and much more. You must have to select delete data, and after that you're all selected. Data on your browser will be deleted. So that's how you can easily remove cookies on Google Chrome mobile browser. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.